Okay, people, we're back. A very different video this week. We've got the main man here. Jamie.
Bro.
From Officially Gassed.
I'm back.
This video is something a bit different. I'm gonna hand you this.
Okay.
I haven't explained anything, by the way.
Okay.
And I'm gonna hand you that. And if you'd like to open it, you'll see that there's some big instructions going on. Ah, it's a lovely blank piece of paper. So, the plan is, right now, standing right here, I'd just like you to draw me that, sir.
Okay.
It's quite easy, really. Draw me that.
Oh, not now?
Yeah, right now, that's it. No, I'm joking, actually. Just hold on 2 seconds. What I'm actually gonna get you to do is draw this car whilst taking you around the stage.
No,
Nice.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, done.
Completed it.
No,
Right, cool.
I'm gonna take you around the stage, and I
Okay.
want you to draw this one
Okay.
lap whilst I'm driving
In the
flat
car?
out. Flat out.
And I've got to draw that?
In one take.
All right, so
And I'm gonna do my best to make sure it's difficult.
Okay, all right, so just my kind of first thoughts on this is the car looks dead easy to draw, right? I'm not saying I'm an artist, but I'm all right with the old pen,
he's
right?
definitely saying he's an artist.
However, I have already been out on the stage with him and it is absolutely bonkers and it is crazy. So I don't know how close my car will look to that, but I'm quietly confident I'm gonna have something that resembles a cool car.
We're gonna put this, you're gonna be the first one to do this. I'm gonna do this a few times this year.
Okay.
So this is gonna be up against, we don't know who yet,
Okay.
but I want you to make a statement.
All right, so
Start with a
I'm
statement.
really gonna start strong with this then.
You know,
It's gonna be a
don't mess
proper
around.
3D
This matters.
shaded.
This matters.
Okay, all right,
There's
it's serious stuff.
FIFA World Cup, the Masters,
Okay.
then there's this.
And then there's this. All right, cool. I
People.
won't let Officially Gassed members down.
That's the one, that's the one. Okay, should we head to the car?
We're just gonna do it, yeah?
Let's go.
All right,
no
let's
messy.
do it.
Come on, boys.
All right, brother. Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Right, so for the camera, for everybody that wants to know, you've got one lap
Yep.
to do your best car. You don't have to do it like the one I showed.
All right, cool. I'm gonna try and stick to what you showed me. I might put my own flair on it. But let me tell everyone to subscribe now. Subscribe to Officially Gassed right now if you haven't. Subscribe to
Rbellrally, that's the one. Right.
When are we starting?
We're gonna say,
Okay.
I'll give you a countdown, yeah?
Okay.
3,
Okay.
2, go.
Foundations of the kind of the shape of the car is the most important bit, and that was the most crazy bit for me at the beginning, right? And the foundation was terrible, and I just had to work with the foundation guy. I don't hate it, but I want extra points for the tinted windows, the 3D-ness, the alloy wheels, the black on the rubber, the headlight. Guys, rate me out of 10. I'll help you. 10. Guys, I'm having it out to the time of my life, but I'm trying to focus and be professional and draw this car, right? But then I look up and we're hurtling towards whatever, like, you know what I mean? And it's just like,
I think we need to clip you over that jump at the beginning as well.
It's crazy, it's crazy.
That's a good effort, to be fair. People, if you want to see more of this, Jamie's set the bar very high, very high. So, you know what, I'm actually quite impressed. Alright guys,
That's amazing.
you will definitely see Jamie on my channel again soon. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Make sure, what do you have to do? Like, subscribe,
Share.
that's the one, and head over to Gas channel. Great to see you, man.